What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. We have a snow storm, so to speak. Yep. Shut you down for a minute. I've had some issues with one of my videos uploading, so you'll have to forgive me. I haven't been able to do much here. Matter of fact, I think it's still uploading. So let's see here. Yep, still uploading. So yeah, it was a good video. Don't know if what it'll end up being on my way home in this mess. So yeah, snow's only good when you're a kid. You can play in it. When you have to work in it or drive around in it, it becomes a lot less fun. And it's nothing but slick, and this is really, really stupid. This is just an absolute poop show. Just hate driving in this crap. And the place I live, they don't do a good job with snow removal, obviously. So, and you have people out here driving that have no business driving. They just want to go out and do stuff because they can. And it's just absolute crap. So yeah, nothing fun about snow, and there we go. Doing my best not to put this thing in four-wheel drive if I can help it. Absolute joke. Nothing fun about it. Not to mention more cleaning on the vehicle again because of the salt. Probably about 1,000 tons of salt, it seems like, on these roads. So now you got that to deal with again. And just a bunch of nonsense. And we're supposed to get rain coming in here at some point tomorrow, I think. So maybe, just maybe, we will get a reprieve and wash this crap away. Because I can tell you, that's all this is crap. And now you have all the knuckleheads out there that can't drive in it, driving 5.5 miles an hour. So I've worked all day, and now I'll be another 2 hours getting home or whatever, because I want to go out and drive. And you got dummy with no headlights on. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? Are you dumb? No headlights. You've got to be kidding me. You can't be any dumber. No headlights. It's 5-something at night. Clearly you need headlights. And no headlights. People are freaking dumb, man. Irritates the living crap out of me. Absolutely irritates the living crap out of me. People are so dumb enough to drive with no headlights on at nighttime when everybody else has headlights. You should have your driver's license revoked immediately for being an idiot. Yeah, your side of the road. Person on the bike doesn't need to be on a bike. I mean, we have plenty of transportation around here. You ride $1 for all day long. So you got no need to be on a bike. And if you can't pay, they'll let you ride for free in most cases. And people just do what they want to. I'm telling you, it irritates the living crap out of me. white vehicle with no headlights. That's intelligent. They've done no plowing whatsoever. Oh, we put salt down, it'll be fine. Well, obviously not. Obviously not. And now we got more idiots. And we're gonna walk across the street. Because screw it, I can. People just don't care. I'm telling you. About had enough. Yeah, but no headlights. And obviously, as you can tell, it's time for headlights. It's called nighttime. It's dark out, it's cloudy, it's snowing. Still snowing. I don't want to use my headlights. Well, maybe you just shouldn't be driving. Driving around no headlight, but put your blinker on. I don't know if you all saw it in the video or not. Trying to show it because it's embarrassing, it's stupid, it's dangerous. Oh, there's a plow. I'm not sure what they're doing. Besides blinding me with their beams behind them. Because that's what I want to see. I want to see your stupid beams. Oh my gosh. What a bunch of knuckleheads. Anyway, the stuff I was going to talk about is working pretty daggone well. The ethos ceramic coating. I'll do another video on that, I guess, because this other one isn't uploading. It's been over 24 hours and it's still trying to upload. Kind of like this light is just staying red. And we got another stupid plow. Now I'm going to have to try to go around him. Boy, I hate snow. Snow is for not really. Okay, well, at least you're turning. Well, that's contracted plow. That's good. Okay, now we're gonna go yellow for 5 minutes. There we go. If I can even get going. Gotta start off slow to get some traction. This is just a poop show. Anyway, guys, if you like these videos, I don't want to do any more snow videos. I don't think this is going to be as much as last time, but who knows. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, comment, share, notifications, all that good stuff. Once we hit 100, doing a free giveaway. Maybe like a snow blower or something. Or whatever. Yeah. So you do all that stuff, you'll be entered to win. It's not going to be a snowblower. There's a video on it about what it's going to be. So go back and check that out. Yeah, these streets will be even crappier now. Wonderful. Boy, I hate snow. It's only good when you're a kid. And dummies still parked on the sidewalk. What else is new? Anyway. Hopefully, the video I do tomorrow will be rain and not more snow. I've had enough already for years. It's only February. So, love y'all. I'll catch you on the next video. Hopefully no snow. Peace.